Hello everyone. Today, we are going to walk through how to install the Bagayoda system step by step in the simplest and most professional way possible. You don't need to be an expert with MetaTrader. Just follow each step shown in this tutorial. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser. In the address bar, type FXFirebird.com. Once the website opens, you'll arrive at the FXFirebird homepage. If you are new to Bagayoda and would like to test the system first, simply click Start Free Trial. The free trial allows you to explore the system before committing to a paid license. No credit card is required, and there is no payment needed to start the trial. If you already have a license or want to purchase one directly, you can click Get License instead. After clicking Start Free Trial, you will be taken to the Download section. This is where you'll find the latest available version of Bagayoda. Whenever a new version is released, the download file is updated, so you always have access to the latest build. Select the version that corresponds to your MetaTrader platform and click Download. The file will then be downloaded to your computer. Open your browser's Downloads folder and locate the Bagayoda file you just downloaded. Copy the file. Now open MetaTrader 5. From the top menu, click File, then open Data folder. A new folder will open. Open MQL5, then open Experts. This is where the Bagayoda file needs to be placed. Paste the file inside the Experts folder. Once that's done, you can close the folder. Go back to MetaTrader. From the top menu, click View, then Navigator. The Navigator panel will appear on the side of the platform. Under Expert Advisors, right-click and select Refresh. This allows MetaTrader to detect the new Bagayoda file we just installed. Bagayoda is now available and ready to be attached to a chart. Before continuing, make sure algo trading is enabled in MetaTrader. If it is disabled, simply click the algo trading button to activate it. This permission is required for the expert advisor to execute trades automatically. Now let's open a chart. Click File, then New Chart. Choose the asset you want to use. Bagayoda can operate across supported markets and instruments depending on your broker and your selected configuration. For this example, we'll use gold, also known as ZOST. You can keep the default time frame or select another time frame according to your setup. In the Navigator, find Bagayoda under Expert Advisors. Right-click the system and select Attach to Chart. The Bagayoda settings window will now appear. Before clicking OK, there is one important connection setting we need to configure. Inside the Bagayoda settings, you'll see an option that says Add this URL to MetaTrader web requests. Double-click the API link. Right-click and select Copy. Now go to Tools, then Option. Find the web request settings and enable Allow web requests for listed URL. Paste the API URL into the field. Then click OK. This allows Bagayoda to communicate securely with its online infrastructure. Now return to the chart and select Attach to Chart again. The Bagayoda input settings will appear. If you are using the free trial, you can leave the default trial license as provided. If you have purchased a license, enter the personal license key provided to you by FXFirebird support. If you received a promotional or event-specific license, enter that license in the same field. Next, you'll see lot size multiplier. With the default value of 1, the system uses the standard lot configuration for your account. For your first installation, we recommend keeping the default value unless you have been given different instructions. Next is the sniper factor. This setting controls how selective the system is when evaluating entries. A higher value can make entries more selective, but it may also reduce the number of opportunities taken. For now, you can leave the setting at the default optimized value. Next is anti-manual trades. When enabled, this setting helps prevent manual trades from interfering with the system's own trading activity and performance tracking. For a standard Bagayoda setup, you can leave this option set to true. Then we have the trend filter. When enabled, this filter allows the system to take market direction into consideration when evaluating trading opportunities. You can also leave the setting at its default value. Next is the daily profit target. This setting allows you to define a daily profit objective. If you are just getting started, we recommend keeping the default configuration and allowing the system to operate according to its programmed logic and current market conditions. Next, you'll fine-choose your markets. If your broker primarily offers Forex, gold, and Bitcoin, select the corresponding market option. If you are using a broker such as Deriv that offers synthetic indices, select synthetic indices. And if you want Bagayoda to operate across all supported markets, select full market. Simply choose the option that matches your broker and account. The final settings are prefix and suffix. These are important when your broker uses specific names for its trading symbols. For example, some brokers may use a suffix such as .ecn. If your broker uses this format, enter the suffix in the corresponding field. If you are unsure about your broker symbol structure, check the Bagayoda user manual, which is available directly on the FXFirebird website. Once everything is configured correctly, click OK. Bagayoda is now installed on your trading account. You'll see the Bagayoda panel displayed directly on your chart. The panel provides useful information such as your broker, connection status, license status, and other system information. After the first installation, the system may initially display waiting for activation. This simply means that your license is waiting to be activated. This verification process is part of our security system and helps protect Bagayoda against unauthorized use and software tampering. Depending on support availability and the number of activation requests being processed, activation may take a few minutes or longer. Once the activation is completed, the status will update automatically. For a free trial, you'll see the remaining trial period displayed on the panel. Once the status changes to connected, Bagayoda is successfully connected to its infrastructure and ready to operate. And that's it. Your Bagayoda system is now installed and ready to operate automatically according to its programmed trading logic. You don't need to constantly monitor the system or manually manage every operation. For the best experience, we recommend using a VPS so the platform can remain connected and operational without interruptions. You can also download the complete Bagayoda user manual directly from the FXFirebird website whenever you need additional information about the settings. Remember that financial markets involve risk and no automated trading system can guarantee profits. If you need assistance during installation or encounter any issue, feel free to contact our support team. And don't forget to join our Telegram community and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss future updates, tutorials, and announcements. Thank you for choosing Bagayoda System. See you in the next update.